Hello and welcome. I'm Johanna and I live in a small village in rural Sweden. And in this video I will share one of my favorites when it comes to Swedish fika. Dammsugare, or directly translated to vacuum cleaners, named for its resemblance to old school vacuum cleaners and for being invented as a way for bakers to make use of failed cakes and crumbs. The original recipe calls for punch, but if alcohol is not for you, you can stick to just arrack essence. I start by crumbling my leftover cakes. I use a bit of sponge cake and some leftover dry almond cakes. But you can take whatever you have. You need about 500 grams of crumbs. When and where it was invented is debated. The earliest theory is that it was invented in the town of Boden in northern Sweden in the 1920s. Then I add in 2 tablespoons of cacao and 50 grams of room temperature butter, and I give it all a mix. Then it's time for the punch, and I use 1.5 tablespoons of punch and 1 teaspoon of arrack essence. Add in a pinch of salt and mix together evenly. Roll your chocolate dough and cut into as big pieces as you like. And put them in the refrigerator while working on the marzipan, traditionally colored green, but you can do whatever color you like. I like to be a bit sloppy with the coloring of the marzipan, giving it more of a marbling effect. Then I roll out the marzipan using cornstarch, and when all the cakes are covered, I dip the ends in melted chocolate.